Thursday, partly cloudy in the morning.
Environnement Canada a un message à diffuser. Ceci est un test hebdomadaire obligatoire pour un 00402. Ceci est un test hebdomadaire obligatoire pour un 00402.
Friday, breezy. Partly cloudy in the morning, then clearing. Station KHCC. This watch includes the following counties in Michigan: Lenawee, Livingston, Macomb, Monroe, Oakland, St. Clair, Washington, and Wayne, and the following: St. Clair River, Detroit River, and Lake St. Clair, and Michigan waters of Lake Erie from Detroit River to North Cape, Michigan. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to our weather radio, local radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards. Station KHC 63 in Southfield.
Environnement Canada a émis une alerte dans votre région. Amis du 16 heures avancées de l'Est. Le mercredi 18 avril 2024. Une veille d'orage violente est en vigueur pour 1007 minutes de copie des semaines.
Thunderstorm warning for Lenawee County in southeastern Michigan until 3:30 p.m. At 2:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Fayette, Oregon, 9 miles west of Morenci, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Morenci around 2:30 p.m. Clayton around 2:40 p.m. Adrian around 2:50 p.m. Tecumseh around 3 p.m. Britain around 3:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Seneca, Manitou Beach, Devil's Lake, Macon, Lime Creek, Munson, Ogden Center, Canandaigua, Ridgeway, Palmyra, and Tiffin. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following county: Lenawee, Michigan. Here is the forecast for the northern suburbs.
We got 200 that.
The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Shiawassee County in southeastern Michigan, Livingston County in southeastern Michigan, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:29 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Marion Springs to near Fowlerville to near Gregory, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. are indicated. Impact. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Palazzo, Fowlerville, Corona, Morais, Bancroft, and Anderson around 2:35 p.m. Howell, Durand, and Pinckney around 2:40 p.m. Philhocka, Byron, and Oak Grove around 2:45 p.m. Brighton, New Malta, and Lennon around 2:50 p.m. Harlem around 30 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Plainfield, Island Lake State Recreation Area, Conway Township, Pinckney State Recreation Area, Vernon, Parker's Corners, Jimville, Lakeland, Chilton, and Unadilla. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan: Livingston and Shiawassee. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 121, effective until 7 p.m. This watch includes